Yes, I. Greetings in the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie the First, you know? And all things that's good. You see it? Yeah, man. Welcome all viewers and subscribers. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe the video. If you're just pass through and you like the content, just, you know, hit the subscribe button. So I'm going to give a little history between myself and Tony Brown. You know, see. See, as a youth, I never really just jump off and step in as the first way out type of thing. So when I say, man used to, you know, as a circumstance. See? Circumstance might be more entertaining for another or more needed information for another occasion, you know, see. But circumstance make man into what the way. To be frank, man was DJs, singers, selectors, and things like that. Man a model. You know, see. So you don't know, like I said, circumstance make certain things develop and things like that. See? So things happen the way it was. But like I said, Tony Brown himself, this is some difference in I and I. You don't see it? Particularly my wife, Pinchie Brown. You know, see it? Pinchie treat me like her son still. Pinchie and my mother. Can't deny that. Can't deny that. You know, see, yes, and anybody will know the thing. Anybody will know the thing is gonna say the same. You know, see, yeah, man. Pinchie treat me like our son, Rasta. Pinchie and my old lady, you know, see. Anyway, you don't know. You don't know. Never fall out yet. We never share. And anybody can really cross the threshold certain way. So I say, because Pinchie is a woman where militant. You see, Pinchie don't see you from far, you know, Pinchie see you from yesterday. So, you know, say, yeah, when you plan for coming, you know, see, she see you before you plan for coming. You see, so when you plan for coming, she don't have a plan prepared for you a long time to make you know what time of day it is. You see, you don't know. Man, they're tight, and them still tight, but you don't know. You don't know. But you don't know, because on Sunday more time we will take all our drive out, go down the country, anywhere down the country and things like that, you know? So one day in particular we got man to go link up on a Tigo Bridging them, a youth named Pusso from over Canterbury. You know, see, it's over Gully. Seeing so we go link Pusso from the Gully, we don't know how to Pusso, you know, still, you know. Big up yourself, Pusso, if you know about that. You don't know. Go and hold it. You don't know. More bless. You know, see it. And all our reason, all our meds from the Gully, man, and they chill out until we say, we are be back the street and going to the city, you know, see it. So, we hit the road and I head back to Kingston Star and on the way, you know? I say, we know some people over here then pull up in our road and pull up in our community and pull up on a driveway and things like that. And to the way we pull up on a driveway and things, you know, we notice to the type of driveway where it is and to the way we pull up on it, we notice the two people them quiet, you know? You know, kind of draw back away in a militancy, like, because I get it from my yard this, and you come check me. You can't just drive up in my yard like that, where you call me, them know if me there. You see, so them sort of thought they go through them head and them look for me like, you know? And so I drive up in the yard, man, and park, man, and jump out and call them and say, come, you know? And them come out and follow me, because them do it. So them stay. They will follow you, you know. If you see them see you do something stupid and them tell you, say, yo, and your sister, them know. You see, them will say, all right, cool. Alright then, and watch you and laugh after you the two big people, every of them. Just like that, you see. And then come out and follow me reluctantly, you know? And go up on the little thing there, like a veranda, you know, the patio, you see it, and we make a present snowing and thing, and the occupants them come out and receive we. Well, you know me I say like, with them, obviously from all them appear, them know, you know, so them never did I expect we, because them in a night gown and thing like that, them in a house clothes and them make a thing there, you see it. Anyway, them receive we and welcome we, and cause you don't know Mr. Brown that and thing, you know? And sit down Mr. Brown, and you don't know that the whole of them are same age group people. No, you know see, the whole of them are same age group people, so before them sit down and them a reason and them like, you know not dealing, you don't know cause Mr. Brown that, a Tony Brown that, and whoever you are from is a Jamaican. You know who that. You know see it. But the thing Mr. Brown humble still, you know see it. And like me I say from day that him's a man who stay in him lane, him know him basically, him just know say him a criminal. Yeah. You know, like him a go around and commit crime or thief people things, you know, but him know for him characteristic or how people, you don't know how he is being perceived, whether warranted or not, you know, see it. So, you don't know, we go there, you know, hot step of things see him, you know, and man a reason with them and thing, and them reason and kick it off decently and, you know, laugh and talk. So the two of them realize that, him realize that two of them are too old PNP from way back when. You know, one take one different side of the street and him take a different, two of them take two different sides. Anyway, them read them a reason nicely, and I think it's an hour or two, you know, see, until man and man shake and we touch the road again, you know, me and Tigo and Pinchie and thing like that. But thing is, when them receive we and thing and we go in at the house, you know, like them say, without permission or without question, them say, I'm gone, so. Me ask for this and I'm gonna look for that, like me ask, where the dog did it, you know? Literal dog, a pet dog living at the yard. And then when I say him run, so I get all I'm dead. I'm a run gang, I look for my dog and all them thing there. And it's like them say with them, you know, see it. So, when we're done, anyway, long story short, we're done and I go to town. You know, see, we barely talk. You know, see, we barely talk. 3 hours, barely talk till we reach Bow Ferry. You know, see, till we reach Bow Ferry, Tony Brown bust out. Something I don't want to cause so bad one still, but Tony Brown just bust out. You know, like him said, like him decided said, after said before we reach back at town. You know, see, and the cherry apart all the way, there is no time when the two people them get no time to themselves a plan what go on, what me I gonna tell them about. Tiga slugging at the passenger, no, Tiga slugging at the back and Tiga just look for me and I said, hey boy, don't say how I want this boy. So disrespect. And same time Pinchie said, so do you think I fart? No fart. Or is a fart them smell or something, you know, and I think of me, you know, cause so we must have so the chair will live. Like me say, like you see, like father, mother, and son. You see, from Pinchie deal with it like our son Tigo go have to deal with it like him. Yeah. And any man after the car that can tell you this is the truth. The daughter tell you like our mother that and no matter no man can go to her and go say nothing. But you can't, and I like say, you can't tell her about nothing when you claim to me we do. Where she, you understand what I say? No, you can't go get her a card or draw a card or nothing like that. That then kind of make me a Teflon soldier still. Not telling a lie. Teflon. You know, see, yeah, and like I said, my man I said, but still to my general, you know, no man never hear me violate or go on and more and show up myself or size up. You see it. If a man violate and the big man don't know, you don't know. When him don't know, you see it, it might appear away, but as soon as him know and realize what go on, him good, you see it. But yeah, if him don't know something, he might feel probably confused. You know what I say, to say the least. You see, but never angry word, never no badness, never no bad vibes, no rare, always a protection type of thing. based on that Sunday there, you know, see, because when Tiga said that to me and Pinchie said, it's like me go for Warieka, and I said, Tiga no me, you know, if anything, you are a Pinchie, because a fart, me don't think about somebody farting at the car, or is a fart, them smell, and I go and I go blame me, you know, so, me ready to say, yo, Tiga no me, no, you are a Pinchie, and I say, but them I continue with for them conversations still, and I say, I start think Tiga like, I mention a name, like him I say, him remind me of such, and Pinchie say, and start telling me a story about a youth where, you know, where left him family them and come at town and just love certain things, you know, see it, and just dead there and now gone away, you know, see it. However, I know my scenario different, because not like me, my born and grew Kingston literally, but the connection loud, you know, see it, and loved and well appreciated. I can see there is no, him can say, wait, what that boy do is like, you know, see it. But like Mr. Circumstance, where it's a big subject for another day, a long-term thing. So I said, well, we could reach over 10,000. And we explain certain things. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe, you know. You know, see it. So it's from that day there, Tony Brown and Pinchie take extra precaution with. It's like there's an extra level of protection where we get from the two of them in regards to certain things. My peers them couldn't really, you know, see it. I never really, you know, see it. Yeah. Put it that way, the way I would say it. You know, see, my peers them good. You know, see it. My elders them good. Same way. And the little youth them worse. Because we love the new generation, and at them we usually love gravitate to. You know, see it? Which is another quality with the general love. Because at them I feel them original stem, and them I get them things from same way. You know, see it? But no politician, no big businessman, anything more. And I like a big riches when I go out there and go collect no big rate here, nothing like that. No. But it's a certain like a simple necessities, simple things where would influence a youth to go do certain. No, I'm not for do that, man. You're mad, man. Nothing for weed, man. Pinchie is a woman where we drive go. Well, furthermore, Chubby drive them sell weed down there when them see our van turn up. When me and Pinchie turn up and park down in a south. In a south, Tony Brown wife and myself and them van, them know say him that we just come out of yard. Just come out and go in another big man here. Yeah, can't remember that man the name. Highest grade, them, and choose out of the nearest one anyway. You know, see it? Me, Bill, Pinchie spliff them, so weed are no problem. You know, see it? Food, me for a vibe, me for hide from Pinchie. You know, see it? Because if Pinchie, no matter what, you know, see it? Yeah, Pinchie look out for me like a mother hen. Yeah, as a grown man, you know, and I have to give thanks and send out some honors and shout out and mad love and respect for you. Because a true Rasta, you know, see it. I've been doing the whole of little mention them now, and I take it for granted. And I usually take it for granted as a youth. But you see now, all of little mention them must. Nah, tell you a lie. My brethren them must usually say, you know, now well, but nah, not in a bad way yesterday, you know. Yeah, them used to must have still. That's sweet. You see. Your boss, them say, my boss, them usually say, go, your boss, I call you, your boss, I look for you, really. But it was never a relationship like that with me and Pinchie. But that never matter me, stick. I don't know anybody where you respect her, you have as an elder certain way, you're bridging them out and say, your boss. It wasn't like a disrespectful term either. You don't see it, but yeah, man. Me and Pinchie used to sit down and reason for hours, pan top of hours. You know, see, everything what Pinchie know she teach, my man. Everything. You know, see, all our old friend them and thing like that. For like me say, for years. We drive up and down every Sunday. I go everywhere in Jamaica and just go kick back with some people. You know, I beg nothing, you know, copy. nobody feel that neither, you know. Yeah, anyway, that lady that go, she carry her, she should prepare. Prepare, you know, see it, yes you know, see it. Nobody feel like she, but they are laughing at all because I only for memory still my general and it was a learning curve, it was a proper learning curve and everything, you know, it was fun and they all acknowledge them. You know, see it. Yeah, man, so, and Pinchie was a lady way in it long time from day that, from the man them from way back in the 70s. You know, see, so she did it every step of the way with the man them. You know, see, this is not even a story about Pinchie, this is a story about the two of them in regards to how I and them interact. So when I say, from a day to day, week to week, month to month, whatever. You know, see it, so and that's where my thing come from. And that's where the authority where man talk will come from. Straight talk. You know, see it. You know, see, it's not like Tony Brown blood son, but not different from that. You know, see, not even him nephew them, him sister them, him aunt, nobody not deal with me like a stranger. Nobody, everybody deal with me like a family. And I don't feel like I alone, you know. Don't feel like I alone. You know, see it. You have some more, you have some other man, like a man, like, you know, see it, yeah. You have some other man where listen to what Tony Brown has said. Kind of dictate to him, just share for him experience and give him opinion on how him feel like say things that it work different or could have worked different for I and I as a youth. You know, see it? Because me and him go a political meeting. You know, see it? Like me say, one of the ministers them have a meeting, you know, Sangrenity. See it? And we are go with the minister as a like an entourage, part of the entourage and thing. And them don't know where them go. Them know how to reach there, but them never got there before. Them don't know. They don't know. But I've been there many times. You know, see. So, them if I'm but whisper for go and thing like that, and somehow I realize what I go on, I'm jump on there, and I make them know so I know how way. You know, see. And them say, alright, lead out. When a Tigo youth, them know how way. I go follow Tigo youth. And them realize which car, one little car, the smallest engine car, my car engine a 1.4, you know. Well, like a 1.4 on that Civic, me and Duran, you know. You know, see, Duran under. You know, see it, and me and Duran do the road. Me and Duran take the road, man, and take the lead. I remember me tell you. More time we go up on some country road, because you have some new road, you know, where I drive, I go up Manchester there, so. Seeing where the young place, the way I drive, I go up and you can't look back, you know. You can, if you look out your window, you see the car that will follow you come toward the corner steer. You saw me, I say, so you don't even have to look back to see what go on. You can look side of you. You know, say, yeah, when me look and see the entourage, I come, the convoy where I follow me, I come up the hill in a star car. I saw the corner of them steering and the car at the road dirty, you know, man. Me not telling a lie in a star. You know, see me I go cause the car I feel got me, I think say I can be a big engine Jeep, you know, minister roll and them thing there. You know, see, and me think I keep me. Them I feel I keep up with me because the difference with country road and straight road, you know. I two different driver, you know. I two different driver deal with them thing there, you know, man. Yeah, man. You see it, a police I follow me, man, and remember me I tell you, man, and when me I come back, me realize the depths. When we come back, because we got to meet and angle the business and things like that, and minister said when for say and do when for do, and you know, see it, me hear my name a call. You see it when the minister ready. So me go some up and balance up and, you know, because it's not something I don't expect that. No, man, I don't have them man there when call him like that. You know, see it, me I don't have them man there. You know, see, so the youth them come look for me and think, you know, I make me know, say, yo, man, them ready, you know. And I say, okay, all right, right. Reach out at the front. I say, whole entourage park up, the police them and everybody. Not to come on, no, man, yo, wait there, you were weird, pan, you know. Yes, the man, I say, yeah, man. The minister say, I'm not leave unless you. I take out the entourage, I take us back to, I mean, I done carrying, I come on, I got ready. Don't know if I go back. You know, see, but it's the drive, in the country darkness there and the twist it was say on the roadcast I did that with me and Tony Brown. Now, you know, see it, you see, if him I go somewhere where need a driver, you know I wouldn't drive. You know, see, no matter Wish cave, me nah. Yeah, said come take me out of the beer bat and the beer badness store wash me off. Come to a man on a road, man, like that. Wash me off and put some clothes for me. I say, yo, come do the damage. Yeah, man. Do some damage, man. Yeah, man, I will do road and come back by that. You know, see, even when we come back, the minister, you know, send him respect and things like that. And enough we got enough time, I can hear you out. And your boss, me just don't talk to you. I said, then I'm me boss, I'm my boss, me if you talk to him. I said, yo, and your boss, me go check it out. I said, then, to myself still, you know, I said, then, can you know? Yo, just I come from up on your boss. I said, I know, you tell me. You know, but you don't know. It's a level where, because I'm not politician, I'm not strong man. Can't say, them want me, you know, them mean you owe them no favor, them ever do me no favor. You know, see, the Tony Brown take the favor them if I take a favor and come do a favor for me. Nah, man! And one man send a thick Kyle come give me one day. One man, you know, see it, and I just, you know, see it. Yeah, out of respect, and I'm not a politician or nothing like that. One man, no man, them not have no one, and the next general again, where the big man friend will usually come in and come check me and sit down and reason and things like that. Couple big man still, but I never know man where I try a more cultural foundation man them. You see it more, you see it, black liberation, black empowerment and them type of people. John to me. You know, see it, but never really. I mean, I don't like say, I was me, I mean, I link you looking at your youth and you want, you know, see it, you want certain things that can happen for you, happen to. So, yeah, I man feel blessed for it. No, say, yeah, but never, you know, see it, never push me in a them region there. You know, see it, that's why the guy now have no secret for me this day. You know, see it, and the guy, me no want a guy in a favor, neither. You know, see it, so, yes, I, Yo, remember one day we got a country against me, Tigo and Mandes. You know, see it. And we rent a little car from a woman, a little girl out on the road, the star. Man, they decide to me if you drive. Anyway, we drive through some different road. Not the normal road, them way you usually drive go Ochi, Tigo Shore, some new road. No new road still, but some road through some hillside. To me, a new road, because I never really travel it yet, but me know say you can travel through up there. You see, so you go up through Stone Hill and things like that and go down some back bush, some little, you know, see, yeah. And anyway, I go through the hills, them and valley and Tigo Shore, some little spots and some little history about the spot them and things like that, personal history, and them because we're there, you see, people where him know. We just a cruise, I go check a man. You see, I tell you, say, it's an automatic car star and we turn down through Fern Gully, you know. I pay a break, you know. If we go down through Fern Gully, when we reach near to the bottom star, we see a traffic jam, because where you go near to the bottom now, you get a straight road, you know. Look and see a traffic jam star and go some up and because you don't know when you see traffic jam down there. You start tease your brake from early. You slow down your car, you now drive, go down in there, boom, and then go press brake. Lucky thing, I saw the practice, the principle go. Because when me go so the first time and touch my brake start, nothing! Pum, pum, pum. Sorry, pum, 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 brake, nothing! You see it? Car just a glide, I go down the hill in a star and the traffic jam. It's a bus back at the last one, you know. The bus back is getting nearer and nearer, fast and fast. I don't know who for the star. But bank, I for bank the car, man. I for just drive the car up on the bank. I know, just switch the turn it on the bank and something cool it off. I remember, I just probably told the bank set, you know. Just cool it off, stop it. And the man then push you back off of the bank and things like that, and we take the time, man, they make you know say, all the while it happen, man. Car man brake, get hot up the road there and things like that, and it just, you know, see, but you don't know star. I just one of them things there. But yeah, man, Be laughing come back, man, for the rest of the day, man. Be laughing on the mountain, man, and the least thing what I do, man. Hey, nobody make the car break, get that again, you know. Lazy good thing, man, for years that follow me. But you don't know, man. Tony Brown and I Rasta, part of the history. You see it, when the man come back as a big man and a roll the way as some youth. Be lessons, be knowledge. It was more positives than in the negative. You see, the Tony Brown where we know as man is a different character from the stereotype where Babylon did paint, as we know. You get what I say? So it's copper as well. You see, now when I have the full exclusive on copper, you see, but make we reach a 10,000. I say, I nah go no until me reach a 10,000. Yeah, I say, man, I say, I know who shot Bob Marley and Rita. You see, the whole of them dead still. You see, but I never believe. You see, yeah, man. Yeah, you don't know, man. We give thanks, man, and share a little more, and you see it, so. Soon telling about me and George Flash, because me and George Flash good to, you know, like gold, you know. Yeah, man. Give thanks. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe, man. More bless. Rastafari.